that maybe by saying that very Om sound, that we are even contributing to world peace, to non-violence, to justice, to purity, to however you feel like. Think of that you're in, with that intention. Chant with me. Say with me. Ah. Ah. Louder. Ah. Okay, now ah. 5 times, okay? Thank you so much.